Hey, it's Mike from Louisiana, and in this video, we are in Italy. That's right. See those beautiful Italian Dolomite mountains back there. In this video, we're going to talk about goals and 2023. I know it's only 2022 right now, but we are going to start talking about the next year, 2023. And look, oh, there we go. Look at the beautiful, beautiful mountains back there. All right, let's get into it. I know what you're probably thinking. It's only June as we're recording this, and you're probably wondering why we're already talking about 2023. Well, the fact of the matter is it's a great time in the middle of the year to start a little bee. It's almost like a good checkpoint, so to speak, you know, stop in the middle of the year and just start looking at it. So let's just say, for instance, your goal this year was to own 3 rental properties. And let's say you look right now and you're at 1 rental property. You look at it and you say, okay, I got 6 more months or 5 more months to finish my other 2. And then you start looking at 2023 and start saying, well, you know, I did 3 this year. If I accomplish that in December, I'm ready to try to maybe do 5 next year, or 6, or double it up. Or maybe you just want to try to do 3 a year, or maybe even 1 a year is your goal. Whatever your goals are, it's a great time to stop and assess where you're at and where you're going to. So we talk about goals. What are some easy ways to set your goals? Easiest way is to write them down. Get you a piece of paper and a pen, get quiet by yourself, and start just thinking about and dreaming. I mean, it's something you want to reach for. So let's say your goal is to own 5 houses next year. Well, then you'd make your goal 7. Go bigger than you normally would, just so you can push yourself. But don't make them so big that they're unattainable and you're gonna fail every time and not even get close, because you do want to have that feeling of accomplishment if you get close to a goal. So the next point I'd like to make is guarding your goals. Don't tell just anybody about your goals and your dreams and what you're trying to accomplish this next year. Be very careful about who you share this with. For instance, your banker. You might let them know, hey, my goal this year is 5 houses. You might tell your wife or your husband, this is my goal this year. And people you want to share your goals with are people who are going to help you attain those goals. Not everybody in life is wanting to help you attain a goal. Some people are just wanting to see you fail. Always guard your goals. Now, as you get closer to the end of the year and you start reaching some of your goals, it's a great time to reward yourself. Do something fun for yourself. Do something nice for yourself. Like me, whenever I hit a goal, I always treat myself to a gold coin or a silver coin or something fun that I normally wouldn't buy myself. I mean, what's the point of having a goal and setting a goal and then accomplishing a goal if you don't get to reap any type of reward of accomplishment? I mean, life's too short just to be goal oriented and then just achieve, and then never have any fun in life. Right now, I'm in Salzburg, Austria in this part of the video, and I'm experiencing and enjoying part of what I love to do, which is travel. And that's part of what I, kind of do for myself and for my family. Every time we sell a house, I take some of that money, I put it aside, and that is vacation money. So life's too short. The kids are too young. Soon they'll be old and gone, and then they won't be around anymore. So I want to enjoy them, and I take them to see the world. That's what I do. Okay, so talking about goals, I am going to tell you something after this whole video of talking about how you can set goals, how you can keep track of goals, how you can challenge yourself. I want to let you know that me personally, I don't set goals. I know this is crazy because I just made a whole video on you setting a goal, but I found this out about myself. I am not a goal person. When it comes to like being fit or losing weight or something, I can challenge myself and it motivates me. I have to do something that really challenges me. So when I went to lose 50 pounds by doing a juice fast for 50 days, I had to challenge myself, and I did that by documenting it on YouTube. And if you want to see that video, it's right up here. You can click on it. It's a really interesting video. But I don't do goals, and I'll tell you why. Because for me, I get up every morning and I don't really have to like motivate myself to go and do something. For me, it's all about the game. It's all about doing it. It's all about getting out there and making something happen. So I typically just like do things every year in life, every day. I go out and I try to make something happen. I really don't need like a goal to be set for myself. Like they asked some of the top golfers a while back, like Jack Nicklaus, Lee Trevino, and all these guys. They said, well, what are your goals? Like what are you trying to accomplish? And it's like, we just love to play the game. We just love to play golf. It's not about money anymore. It's about playing the game. And that's what it is for me. I'm not necessarily after money. I just enjoy playing the game, and I'll do it for the rest of my life. Making a deal, putting something together is a game, and I love it. Now my wife, she'll get tickled because I'll do a day trade and make like $100. I get just as excited about that. She says, you get so excited about that. You get just as excited about that as making like $10,000 on a real estate deal. It's true, because it's just about the deal. It's about the action. It's about the game. I love playing the game. And so when you love playing the game, you get up every day and you do it every day. There's really no reason to set goals, I guess. I don't know. Maybe that's wrong. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I guess maybe some people are goal-oriented, some people aren't. But if you'd like this video, I would appreciate if you'd hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe. And today, I'm shooting the last part of this video. I am in York, England. And so, staying at the Elm Bank Hotel. So, been all over Europe on this trip, and it's been quite an adventure. And I thank you for, well, if you got this far along in the video, I thank you for watching it. And all right, I'll see you on the next one.